In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Well, gentlemen, today is 23rd March of 2021. This day reminds us the great sacrifices made by our great leaders to create an Islamic, sovereign, and free state on the map of the world. History is our best witness that the leaders of the Muslims of subcontinent have made several attempts to create an Islamic state, to create a free Islamic state. But unluckily, all those efforts were not proved successful. Finally, under the leadership of All India Muslim League, this miracle happened. On 23rd of March 1940, the resolution of Pakistan was passed in a general session of All India Muslim League in Minto Park, Lahore. The blueprint, the sketch, and the plan of Pakistan was put on the table, was turned into black and white, and it was decided that all those areas, all those states where the Muslims are residing in majority will be the Muslim state, will be the Pakistan. And all those areas in which the Hindus are in majority will remain in India. This resolution was passed by our great leader, Maulvi Fazl Haq. And after 1940, within a short period of 7 years, the All India Muslim League, under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, have made this impossible mission to possible. And they finally succeeded to create an Islamic, sovereign, and free state called Pakistan on the map of the world. This is how the things revealed, and we are now in an Islamic, sovereign, and free state. May Allah bless Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.